Unit 4 Intrusion Detection. The topic is Example Intrusion Detection System Snort. Snort is an open source, highly configurable and portable, host based or network based IDS. It is referred as lightweight IDS. The some of the characteristics of Snort are it is easily deployed on network nodes, operations are efficient, and it uses small amount of memory and process time. It is configured easily by the system administrators. Snort can perform real-time packet capture, analysis, protocol analysis, and content searching and matching. It is mainly designed to analyze the protocols TCP, UDP, and ICMP. It can detect variety of attacks and probes based on the rules configured by the system administrator. The architecture of the Snort is shown here. In this, the packet decoder processes each captured packet to identify and isolate protocol header at the data link, network, transport, and application layers. Next is the detection engine. This detection engine does the actual work of the intrusion detection. Next is log. For each packet that matches a rule, the rule specifies what logging and alerting options are to be taken. Next is alert. For each detected packet, an alert can be sent. Next, Snort rule. Snort uses simple flexible rule defining language that generates the rule used by the detection engine. It consists of fixed header and 0 or more options. The header and option format is shown here. Here the rule action tells Snort what to do when it finds a packet that matches the rule criteria. Next is protocol. Snort proceeds in the analysis if the packet protocol matches this field. The current version of Snort 2.9 recognizes TCP, UDP, ICMP and IP protocols. Next is source IP address. Source IP address designate the source of the packet. The rule may specify a specific IP address, any IP address, list of specific IP address, or the negation of specific IP address or list. The negation indicates that any IP address other than those listed is a match. Next is source port. This field designates the source port for the specified protocol. Direction. This field takes one of two values, unidirectional or bidirectional. Next is destination IP address. It designates the destination of the packet. Next is destination port. It designates the destination port. There are four major categories of rule options: metadata, payload, non-payload, post detection. Metadata provide information about the rule but do not have any effect during detection. Next is payload. It looks for data inside the packet payload. Next is non-payload. Look for non-payload data. Next is post detection. Rule specific triggers that happen after a rule has matched a packet. The sample Snort rule is shown here. Examples of Snort rule options: for metadata, message, reference, class type. For the payload field, content, depth, offset, no case. Non-payload TTL. TTL means time to live. ID, D size, the packet payload size, flag, sequence, ICMP ID. For post detection, log 2 and session.